and I just heard all this like popping, you know, we both crashed down. I mean, I'm 240, he was at least that, and that's like, you know, that's where all the force came down right there. So everything was strained there, like my pec and like my back, all that was strained. So I was hoping it was just like soft tissue damage, but the soft tissue damage seems like it's all gone now, and I just have this like stabbing pain here,
Fuck.
you know. So
Yeah, the pops definitely will be on tissue damage.